Hello, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me this afternoon for, or should I say this morning, for a really quick run through what is still available on the Get It While You Can product list that is discounted. So this is just the discounted items, not everything. So we're starting with the Star Designer elements, which were £8.25, are now £6.60. Glimmer dots were £7.50. These are the gold glimmer dots. They are now £6. Punches, the small bloom punch was £12, is now £7.20. The umbrella punch was £17 and is now £15.30, and it's the one that goes with the umbrella stamp sets, of which there are two. The story label punch, good grief, this was £17 and is now an amazing £6.80. Seriously. The vase builder punch was £17 and is now £13.60. This dog builder punch, I'm stunned, was £17 and is now just £4.25. Okay, so that is punches, and we are on to stamp sets and dies and the like. So, meant to be stamp set was £22, is now £8.80. Yes, £8.80. Bloom and Grow stamps with the matching Budding Blooms dies. So the dies that match. The stamp set was £24, is now £14.40. The dies were £31. They are now £7.75. Yes, you heard me right, £7.75. Beauty Abounds stamp set and dies. So the Butterfly Beauty dies, which layer up. The stamp set was £21 and is now only £8.40. The dies were £36 and are now £21.60. Comfort and Hope stamp set is reduced from 20 to 16. Fancy Phrases is reduced from 20 to 18. Floral Essence is reduced from £16 to £12.80. Obviously, these are UK prices. The Geared Up Garage stamps and matching, falling around dies, matching dies are, the stamp is reduced from £20 to £16. The dies are reduced from from £31 to £24.80. Next batch of stamps. Okay. Friend Like You stamp set was £20, now just £12. Seriously, it's only £12. Here's a Card was £20 and is now £12. These are bargains, people. Heartfelt stamp set was £16 and is now £9.60. The Massive Thanks stamp set was £20 and is now £18. The Parcels and Petals stamp set with these lovely florals and repeats, beautiful sentiments. Thank you, birthday cheer to you all year. You're the best, you did it. This is amazing. This is reduced from £20 to £5. That's it, £5. Path of Petals stamp set is reduced from £20 to £8. Beautiful Boughs dies and Peaceful Boughs stamps. So the dies are these and the stamp set is this. The stamps are reduced from £21 to £16.80. The dies are reduced from £33 to £29.70. And I've got in with that, not with it, but with it, the Detailed Hearts die, which is the one die That does a whole card front of, whole card front of hearts. This one. This is reduced from £27 to just £16.20p. Hope you're keeping up, folks. Right, one of my favourite stamp sets that is retiring, and I can't believe the price. So sentimental. This is amazing. Now, the dies that it goes with, the Stitched So Sweetly, are carrying over, but the stamp set, which was £20, is now only £8. Wildly Happy was £20 and is now only £12. Beautiful World stamp set was £21 and is now £18.90. Tags set, which does Halloween, Valentine's and Christmas tags, it was £20 and is now just £8. So Inviting, which was £15, is now only £9. If you finally have got your wedding planned for this year, and there's a hope you might actually have it, you need this stamp set. It's all you need. You've got save the date, you're invited, you've got your thank yous, you've got your date, time, place, RSVP. It is amazing. It's photopolymer, so it's really easy to use and is only £9, but only while it lasts. The Ornate Style die is reduced from £20 to just £8. Okay, and the next batch. We start with, she says, hoping she's got it the right way up, Seaside Notions was £21 and is now reduced to just £16.80. Love this stamp set. The Special Someone stamp set and the matching, oh, I've got bits in here, and the matching dies are, let's see, Special Someone stamp set was £16 and is now £14.40. The dies, I cannot believe, were £27 and they are now just £10.80. So you can almost get the stamps and the dies for the same price that the dies used to be. No, you can, because that would be £24, £25.20. That's just ridiculous. Okay, Well Said stamp set, which is 2 stamp sets, is reduced from £42 to £33.60p. Hope my battery is going to last. Silhouette Scenes and the Sweet Silhouette dies. Our stamp set is £21 down to £18.80. The dies, seriously, the dies, these amazing dies, which do Forever, Adventure and Inspire, as well as a dandelion and a tree bough, they are just £8.25. They were £33. Right, Still Scenes stamp set is reduced to from £20 to £18. The snow domes that go with it, you'll need the dies, but the snow domes that will go with it were £6 and they're now £4.80. Waterfront stamp set from £16 down to just £6.40. My Meadow, which is that same style but different imagery, is down from £20 to £12. Itty Bitty Birthdays, down from £21 to £16.80. Okay, we're nearly there, folks. We are nearly there. Please, battery, stay with me. We have got Purple Posy Scallop Ribbon Linen Die, £7.50 down to £4.50. Ditto the Terracotta Tile Die ribbon. Seaside Spray is reduced from £7.50 to £6. Terracotta Tile Ink Pad is reduced from £7 to £4.20. Amazing. The Lace 3D embossing folder, which I love, is reduced from £9.25 to £8.33. Absolutely Argyle folder reduced from £9.25 to £5.55. Tin Tiles embossing folder £9.25 down to £8.33. And the Little Details dies folder, which go through the mini, are reduced from £7.50 to £4.50. Wow, we've made it. The battery is still going. So if you want any of these items, please do not wait. Get them now. Go over to my online store. There's a link in the description bar below, and get your shopping carts full of all these ridiculously reduced items while they still last. If they last to the end of the 3rd of May, which I don't think they will then be gone and will only ever then come back on the clearance rack at some point in the distant future, which we won't know about. So if you want these items, as I say, some of them are ridiculously cheap, please, please, please get them now. Thank you very much indeed for joining me on this video. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a fantastic day, and I will say goodbye. Bye.